Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Hariom and today we are going to discuss about Parag Milk. Just a market cap of around 2000 crore whose stock price went on a roller coaster ride during the tariff war. During the ride, we saw high candle volumes on the chart catching attention of investors and traders. In this video, we'll take a closer look at its business model, financial, technical chart pattern, future growth prospect and the challenges. Make sure you stick around till the end for better picture. Parag Milk was established in 1992, engaged in processing, procurement and marketing of liquid milk and milk product under its brand Govardhan, Go, Pride of Cow, Top Up, Avatar and Slurp. The products sold by company including ghee, cheese, butter, yogurt, curd, ultra high temperature milk and flavored milk. The company has 3 processing plants each in Manchar, Palamar and Sonipat. This company is a big player in cheese market in India and has a 35% market share in cheese. Apart from that, it is also a market leader in cow ghee under the brand Govardhan and has a market share of 20%. In 2017, it became the first company in India to launch Made in India B2C whey protein powder under the brand Avatar. It is the only company in India that makes fresh paneer under the shelf life of 75 days. Its cheese plant is the biggest plant with the ability to produce 60 metric tons of raw cheese every day. It also has the largest automated dairy farm in India with over 3000 Holstein Friesian cows. Introduced the concept of farm to home milk. The milk is untouched by human hands and the whole process is fully automated. UST technology is of a European technology requires a minimum human intervention. It is one of the only 2 facilities in Asia with the UST technology. Bhagyalakshmi Dairy Farm is a part of Parag Milk and fully owned by Parag Milk. It is located in Pune and started in 2005 as a research center to learn and improve how to feed and take care of cows. The main goal is to help farmers to get more milk. Today it is India's most modern dairy farm with 2300 Holstein Friesian cows spread across 35 acres of land. Now discuss future growth prospect of Parag Milk. Its future plan is to install processing units at a newly acquired Sonipat facility for pouch milk, curd curd, etc. and expand the existing yogurt facility. It intends to have the health and nutrition business as a 7% of its portfolio in the medium term and drive its profitability and growth for both cheese and whey businesses. The company will introduce high potential lactose product as there is a huge opportunity for import substitution. The company plans to purchase 20 lakh liters per day. The company also plans to increase the market size of Govardhan to 1,23,000 crores, Go cheese to 20,000 crores and whey to 2,000 crores. The company target to expand its distribution footprint by 3 times and reach 13 to 15 lakh retail touchpoint by FY27. Now discuss challenges. Parag Milk has a strong competition from their competitors as these companies are collecting the milk from the same areas. So it is difficult to get more milk. There is also risk that the price of skim milk can go up and down because of supply and demand. Unpredictable monsoon can make it worse as they affect the quality of cattle feed and the produce of milk. Now we will discuss leadership. Venkat Shankar is the CEO of Parag Milk, has having more than 30 years of experience including Britannia and PepsiCo. He holds PGDM from IIM Ahmedabad and engineering degree from IIT Kanpur. Now I'll discuss financials. The company currently commands a market cap of 2,177 crore. Its stock P is around 21, while the industry P is stands at 31, showing that Parag is still trading at a discount compared to peers, possibly offering valuation comfort. In terms of returns, the ROC is 10.9% and ROE is 10.5%. Both are decent and so business is generating fair returns on the capital it uses. Now coming to the debt. Its debt to equity ratio is 0.67, which at first glance may look a bit high. But if you look at the history back in 2015, the company was carrying over 500 crore in debt. Since then, it is consistently reduced the debt, showing smart financial management and discipline. The December 2024 quarter was record-breaking for Parag Milk. The company posted its highest ever quarterly revenue of 885 crore, along with its highest quarterly profit of 36 crore, despite paying 26 crore in interest. This clearly reflects strong operating performance and better cost control. Even on trailing 12-month basis, the numbers are impressive. TTM sales reached at all-time high of 3,304 crore and the TTM net profit also hit at a 102 crore. Again, it is also highest ever. Now if we talk about the ownership, strong hands hold a 64% stake, showing their confidence in the company. The remaining 36% held by weak hands, which means that the price movement can be sharper if the fundamental continues to improve and attract strong interest. Now I'll discuss technical chart pattern of Parag Milk. During the tariff war period, the stock tanked and made a bottom of rupees 134, marking a support zone that has held well since. Strong rally about a year ago in Feb 24, the stock hit a 52-week high of 260 rupees. Earlier, the stock was making a beautiful reverse head and shoulder pattern. However, it went down due to tariff war. I don't know what happened next according to SEBI's new guidelines. I can't say much on this, but I can say that its neckline is at rupees 258. As always, please take this video as a study purpose. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. That's it for today's analysis. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to Trading with Hariom for more in-depth stock analysis. And please let me know in the comment below which stock you would like me to next analyze. We'll back in next video. Till time, happy investing.